Remember, the goal is to teach smarter and not harder. My name is Lucy. I'm here to teach you the most efficient way you can use AI to create your lesson notes and also your lesson plan. So whether you are writing manually or you are making use of your word processing, your WPS and so on in typing of your notes, but you want the easiest way you can do that, this particular video is for you. So now I want you to stay tuned to the end of this video to learn the most efficient and the most standard way to generate a lesson note for a particular class. I mean a standard lesson note for a particular class. Stay tuned. Let's go.
This is my phone interface. So we are going to use two apps for this particular lesson note generation, which is the two apps that we are going to use is ChatGPT and WPS. ChatGPT and WPS. So now you move straight to your ChatGPT. Move straight to your ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT interface. Okay, let's go to what we have. We're about to generate a lesson note and also a lesson plan for digital technology, which was formerly known as computer studies. We're about to generate a lesson note for that particular class for SS2 class. Now, this is how you do it. Now, before you start, make sure that you have your scheme of work beside you. Make sure you have your scheme of work beside you. The reason that I'm saying this thing is that most of you will come and tell AI, create a lesson note on a topic, or maybe say create a lesson note on word processing. Now, when you tell AI create a lesson note on word processing, you are not being specific. You have to be very specific. You have to give AI instructions on exactly what you want. Therefore, when you want to give AI a prompt, make sure that in your scheme of work that the exact details of that particular topic is what you are going to give to AI. For instance, now I'm about to create a lesson note on word processing. I want you to calm down and look on how I'm going to give AI the instruction. Now, the prompts will be on the comment section, so you can actually edit it. Alright, so this is how I'm going to do it. Create a lesson note and a lesson plan for digital technology on the topic word processing. Full stop. This should include definition, comma, word processor, just like what I have in my notes, word processor, comma, facilities and features in word processor in brackets Microsoft Word. I close the brackets and their uses also give me application areas of word processing. Now, this is the detailed prompt of what I want AI to generate for me. Now, as you can see, I gave AI it is the detailed instruction of what it will do for me. Now, the next thing you need to do is to tell AI the class that you want to generate this particular notes for. Notes, notes, note that this lesson notes should be suitable and standard for SS2 class. For SS2 class. So with this, I will now click on enter key. Okay, I will now click on enter key. Okay, so now this is the lesson notes. As you can see, starting from the introduction, subject, class, topic, duration is 40 minutes, so you are left to add the time and the week. Okay, definition of word processing, word processor, facilities or features in word processing and their uses. Okay, this is what we have. As you can see, how to create new documents, open, save as typing areas and the rest of them. Uses of word processing, applications areas of word processing, advantages of word processing, and the summary. So as you can see, this is exactly what I asked AI to do for me. So whenever you are typing your own prompts, make sure that you type in details. Don't assume that AI will know it. Make sure you give that right instruction, because all of us know that computer is garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you give to AI, that is what AI is gonna give to you. Okay, so make sure you give instructions detail, that is in details. All right, then these are the lesson plan, the teaching aid, teaching method, presentation, and the rest of them. So this is what I have today. So the second part, this is the first part, so let's move into the second part, which is what, which is to take this, to copy this straight to word process, sorry, to WPS, where we can actually do what, where you can actually edit and arrange them in the rightful way. So what will I do? I will hold this, I will highlight, I will highlight everything, I will highlight, I will highlight everything. I'm still highlighting. You make sure you highlight. Now this summary, if you like, you add it up. So evaluation, questions, and assignments. So this is what I need for now, so I copy it. Now I'll now move to my WPS. I'll now move to my WPS. This is my WPS office. I'll now move straight to it. I'll now move straight to my WPS. I have to create a new document. Alright, so I go to create. I move to click on create. Click on doc. Click on blank page. So this is it here. Now I hold this place and click on paste. So this is what AI was able to generate for me. So the thing I will do now is to do some editing and some formatting. Now this is it. Alright, add the term. This is second term. I will now add second term. Second term. Now the week. I think this should be first week or second week. Sorry, second week. Second week definition. Now I have to remove these numbers. It's not necessary. I have to remove this. Then undo other form of editing. The other form of editing. You can start adding your bullets like this. Okay, word processing. Sorry, this is where I'm supposed to add the bullets. We have many features here in word processing, and it's suitable for phone users. Very suitable. So these are the examples. Now, those places like definition, you can actually decide to turn it or use bold because it's a subheading. So you have to add to the size, definition of word processing, word processor, turn it to bold too. Okay. Now examples, all these subheadings, you have to make it to appear different from the bodies. So this is how we do it. Increase the size too. Alright, then Microsoft displays. Examples of word processor include Microsoft Word, Google Docs, WordPad, and the rest of them. So what you will do here is, because this thing has to do with outlining, so I have to number them. I want to number them, sorry, number them. I have to number them. I'll now go to my alignments. I'll choose numbers. I've numbered them already. Okay, now I remove these two. Facilities. This is a subheading. So I have to add bold. I have to click on bold, add to the size. So this is it. So you continue doing like this till you get to the bottom of the notes. So you get to the bottom of the notes. So that is how you can actually generate a lesson note using AI. It's very simple, and I bet you are done with it. Thank you.